Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to manually check for software updates in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So if we have disabled our automatic updates and we want to check if we have some new ones, we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are going to device care, and here we have software update. So when we open this option here, we have download and install our software. So let's see. Yes, we are not connected to our network. So let's connect. Yes, please. And now let's check again for our software. Are there any updates available? Not yet. Our software is up to date. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.